I felt like cooking today. So yeah, I felt like cooking today. I made some spaghetti. It's so good. Like, it's so good. Is that better? I guess it's better. Right, you want some? Got some garlic bread.
Yeah, maybe.
Come get it. Make a little heart. Yeah, I tried to make little hearts out of my garlic bread.
That ain't hard.
I know it don't look like it, but I tried.
Can I try to make a heart? Huh?
Okay. Wait, did you wash your hands? You touched my food?
Yeah. I can't go on my hands. Can I use this right now? Stop! I'm trying to eat. What you doing? Like,
She's trying to play in my food. That's one thing. You gonna bite it?
huh?
You gonna bite it?
Uh-huh. Okay. I want... It's hard.
Yeah, bite that one.
Girl, you wet. Get away from me.
Yeah. This spaghetti's so good. It's okay.
Hold on. Still eating that bread. Say, Mama.
Okay.
That one. No.
You can eat that piece.
I'm for the heart shape. What you doing? I better taste it. Ooh, I forgot that.
Blow it.
That's good.
It's good.
Yes.
You want your elbow? Or you want to eat some of that?
That's your move. That is really so good. I love it. Subscribe if you like spaghetti, because I know I do.
There we go.
Oh, wait, hold on. I like it.